Firstly, we can scan invitation codes shared by users or invitation link. Enter the web page. Register via email. After filling out your personal information, we can complete the registration by clicking Confirm. iOS users unable to download using IDs from China and the United States. Android users can download the app directly via the web link. After downloading, open the app. After entering the page, click KYC to complete identity verification. Fill in your personal information to complete the verification. Please fill in your personal information again to ensure it is correct. Deposit funds via third-party wallets or exchanges. Recommended BSC chain top-up, lower fees. After completing the top-up, open the app to apply for a card. Once your card is activated, you can start using it for purchases.